Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 31 October 2024, and we have a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, we delve into the ongoing investigation surrounding YouTube sensation MrBeast, who is facing serious allegations related to his cryptocurrency dealings. With over 320 million subscribers, MrBeast is accused of engaging in misconduct, including faked videos, illegal lotteries, and insider trading. A research team has linked him to over 50 cryptocurrency wallets, suggesting he misled investors and promoted tokens for personal gain. Notably, his primary wallet has been involved in transactions worth over $13 million through exchanges like Gemini and Binance. The investigation highlights his involvement in projects like Superverse, Eternity Chain, and AIOZ, where he reportedly made substantial profits. Despite these controversies, MrBeast has remained silent, leaving many to question the ethical implications of influencer-driven cryptocurrency promotions. In other news, base Mainnet has launched fault proofs, marking a significant step towards decentralization. Built on Ethereum and utilizing Optimism's OP stack, Base aims to foster a more open and trusted economy. The fault-proof system allows for permissionless proposals and challenges, enabling participants to validate the chain's state and contest fraudulent claims. This decentralized approach reduces reliance on central authorities and encourages community involvement in network security. Base plans to achieve full decentralization by 2025, with the launch of fault proofs seen as a pivotal moment in building a more decentralized internet. Next, we explore a thread by Bankless HQ discussing an upgrade in the crypto and AI experience. The focus is on creating no-code AI bots using the Virtuals protocol, allowing users to launch AI agents on the Base network. These agents can operate independently, interacting with users through text, speech, and 3D animations. Tokenization of AI agents allows users to co-own them, granting governance rights and a share in future revenue. The thread provides a detailed guide on creating and investing in AI bots, encouraging users to explore this innovative platform. Shifting our focus to the global landscape of crypto development, Maria Shen from Electric Capital shares insights from an analysis of over 110,000 developer profiles. The study reveals that Asia has overtaken North America, now accounting for 32% of crypto developers. The US, while still leading by country, has seen a decline in its share due to a negative regulatory environment. The report highlights that 81% of crypto developers reside outside the US, raising concerns about innovation drain. The findings will be detailed in the upcoming 2024 developer report, offering further insights into the evolving crypto development landscape. Finally, we turn to Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy, which has announced plans to raise $42 billion over the next 3 years to purchase more Bitcoin. This ambitious strategy underscores Saylor's commitment to Bitcoin as a primary asset for the company. MicroStrategy, a major player in the Bitcoin market, intends to leverage financial instruments like debt offerings and equity sales to fund this acquisition. Saylor's vision positions MicroStrategy as a significant force in the cryptocurrency space, with plans to make strategic purchases that align with market conditions. This move reflects Saylor's belief in Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and a store of value. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay informed and stay secure.